Hi guys, we are continuing with the process of installing the pivot door. As we had stated before, there was a small hitch and we have tried to rectify it. So kindly follow us as we go. Shikini hapo. Sasa niangalia hapo chini venye zina. Usije bao nilikuwa na usije hicho mwenyewe nishika. Hey guys, follow us. Let's see if we are going to solve this door together. Okay. Na vuteni upandeni kidogo. Huko hivyo. Huko. Iende ndani. Hapo. So ikuje mbele. Na sasa hii sikubeni kama milimita. Sikubeni kidogo tu nitawaambia. Sikuma wapi? Ikuje ndani upande wangu. Ikuje nje kidogo tu. Hapa. Okay, sasa. Hiyo ndio balance hapa. Balance hapa. So, wewe ikuje kama imelala ndani. Atini ikuje hivi. Eno huko. 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 Ndio hapo. Take a short glass hapa. Hakuna kitu inasimamia kama ndoo hivi.
Huko kila nenda mara hii hapo. Darasa imekuwa na rengi.
So guys, bana shake be still, eh? Don't play. You have to be move somehow back kidogo to capture. You have to capture it. Yeah? When you are at a distance, you are able to. Okay. So really fit it. Longer one. Seems we are almost going to see a smoke coming out to show you that installing this large door. It's going to be so heavy, close to 250 or 60 kilograms. And you see what's happening here. Okay. So ifanye kama inalala kidogo, fanya hivi. Hiyo watu hilo washikilie, alafu hiyo bao itolewe. Alafu itakuwa ni pole. Itoe hiyo bao. Ikiwa ndio hapo. So akili chini. Sio tragic. Shikilieni hapo. Hapa alafu sasa nifungue hapa. Itilemke ndani. Haya, imeingia. Wow. Okay. Achilia tu. Stay. It won't go anywhere now. Now, guys, the pivot door is done. We are now ready to test and see whether it's going to move around or not. Thank you so much. Let me take away this one, please. So, go. Close it. Just leave it. Let it come. There you see. There you go, my friends. You see the pivot. Push outside. Push. It is here. It can't open because they have already blocked this area. So I think these guys are going to, Mr. I think they have to cut this so that we see whether it opens at 180 degrees. Yeah, this one we have to take out this one. So let me open. That's inside. Now that's the pivot door. It's already inside, and from what I'm seeing, it's not so bad. It's not bad. Should be doing something, some adjustments, a bit of adjustment, yeah. So I think it is okay for now. The pivot door is inside. Mr. Ogonchi, how do you see it?
It is good.
Yeah,
It is good.
it is good, eh?
Yeah.
How do you see the way it moves?
Very smooth.
It's not heavy, but after you lie, okay. Even if okay, it's heavy, but now it seems like it's not heavy.
Yeah.
I think you can after these ones. You need to go down a bit. Huh? It's a lot of small.